Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. All right. Interesting kind of start to the morning. Here, let's see. Today's a pretty big day. Hey, Henry, good morning. Good morning. All right. Ask the question, are we closing red or green today? 50% red. Okay. Mom, good morning. SRI Beats, good morning. Chase, good morning. Kalila, good morning. I'm looking at NVIDIA on this trend line to kind of start the day. I think I might want to go for it. Let's go to a 15. It's either just gonna come down, which very well a possibility. Kind of looking at this downward movement. Or it's getting ready to turn around. Do you think SoFi is going red? Aiden, good morning. Skittles, good morning. Happy New Year, man. Do you think SoFi is going red? I mean, honestly, that depends on some things. So actually, yeah, I got these trend lines here. So I guess it'll kind of depend on how SoFi does. If SoFi could like bounce off this trend line and then come back down, but it could take some time. Shireen, good morning. Mass 3DRC, good morning. Oh yeah, y'all. Hey, pay attention to Skittles' message. Hey, be sure to like and subscribe if you're new here, and if you're not new here, hey, just be sure to like, interact with that little thumbs up button, smash it. Let's get the day started off right. Jeremy, JJ. I don't know if you like the name JJ, but I see you got the double J's. Good morning. All right. Here, let's kind of want to turn on my RSIs. Let's see what we're looking like on the 4 hour on NVIDIA real quick. We're almost oversold on the morning on the 5 minute on NVIDIA. We're still kind of, yeah. I'm thinking I'm really leaning towards market's about to open. I'm probably about to grab some sort of call on NVIDIA. Higher Bit Crew, good morning, family. All right, so looks like we got market open. Let me see what these NVIDIA contracts are looking like. See if maybe we get some like kind of, I don't know, like move to the downside. So let's see what we can get. So I'm gonna add a 139 call to the watch list. And see how we do on the retest of this trend line. See if we break it or if we kind of go. Simon, good morning. Sharonda, good morning. All right, so it looks like we're trying to test it. We can go to a 5 real quick. Yo, something went off. Here, let me there we go. Okay. You said AMD. Let me take a look at AMD over here. Got eyes on AMD. They're still at like a good kind of pullback level, but yeah, I got my eyes there. I'm gonna have to move this back to shop because I ended up getting a put on shop yesterday. It actually looked kind of good. Like if you look on the 4 hour, it's oversold, and You can see it kind of slowed down over here. So the Shopify puts actually look kind of good after like taking a second look. My life be like, good morning, good morning. Black and Wild, good morning. I appreciate you smashing the like button. Angelo's, good morning. All right, I guess we just wait. Hey, Tempest AI is up like 5% today. Great day for Tempest. What else we got on here? Moving. Fubo's doing all right today, up 6%. I'm still waiting on Fubo to pull back. AMD working on pulling back. Okay, Nvidia pulling back again. I want to see how they do at this level. Let me go back to a 15. Yeah, see if we get some sort of sweep or anything right here, or if they just hold up or not. Good morning. Finally got a day where I can trade without being at work. Hey, nice. It's an interesting day too. I would say tomorrow will probably be more interesting, but yeah, it's an interesting day. We got the Fed speaking later today. I won't be live for that, or maybe I could be. I don't know. We'll see. I'll have to see where I end up. All right, Nvidia is looking like it wants to hold up to me. Like I'm still a little early, but it's looking like it wants to hold up. So here, looking at it again, I'm gonna add the 138 call for February 17th to my watch list. What's today? Here, let's see. Okay. Alani, good morning. Any thoughts on NVIDIA? So NVIDIA's at a trend line. It looks like a good spot to buy right now. Really trying to see. It looks like a good buy. But I'm not 100% sure. Just got a $6 put on QBTS. Hey, that might be a move right there. Here, let's see. Yeah, I might, let's see. Go back to a 15. Yeah, so yeah, I just, this isn't $100 one, but we'll add like $101 one in there. But I just added a 128 call that expires on the 7th for NVIDIA. And then I'm gonna add like the equivalent. If I were getting one for the $100 budget, I would go for the 138 call, like $10 further out. So I've got that on my watch list. All right, so I've added that. I'm gonna alert the family. And yeah, here, let me get a screenshot of the chart real quick. Whoa, hold up. So apparently, what's it? So apparently, TradingView has done an update. All right, so yeah, let me share that with the family real quick. So let's go. Just grabbed 128 NVIDIA call expiring. What was it 220 or 27? Oh, it's trying to keep going. Okay. Paid. I paid for it. 380. Whoa, what just happened? Let me put in a stop loss. Oh wait, let me go to the 4 hour real quick. Okay. Okay, cool. Got that in. We'll kind of let that do what it does. And that's the stop. Let's see. Apple. Yeah, let's see what Apple's doing today. Apple kind of pulled back earlier today, what I saw. Oh wait, hold on, wrong spot. Shopify should be down on it because Shopify is still moving up. Let me see. All right, so yeah, Shopify. I'm down 24% on it. D Community, good morning. Good morning, Darth Raven or Ravon. Super novice question. If I wanted to get started in options with 100, where should I begin? I would say start by making sure you understand technical analysis. So I have a video on my channel. It's called like, here, let me look at it real quick. Here, I'll just share the link.
Support, which we have trouble.
Whoa, hold up. So it's called like How to Trade Stocks for Beginners. I would start by kind of understanding that, making sure, like, learn that strategy at the least, and then you can probably build on that. But that's where I would kind of start. And then after that, I would start playing with the watch list tool. Do you pay any mind to the 10 o'clock rule? So when it comes to rules, like the 10 o'clock rule, is that in reference to like waiting until 10 o'clock to trade? If so, not specifically. Most days I will wait at least the first 15 minutes or so. But it's usually like either 15 minutes or like an hour for me. It really just depends on the day, depends on what I'm like seeing and feeling. But I would say it's usually kind of a good way to go though. New Net, good morning. Is market open slightly? I mean, I wouldn't even put this all on the Fed decision. I would say the shakiness probably comes from we got big earnings today, and that's kind of gonna move some things. All right, so it's looking like I'm probably gonna end up getting stopped out of this trade, but we'll see. Yeah, it looks like they're going. It looks like we're going for the quick stop, but I'm still in for now. All right, let's see. Gotta stop holding overnight. Oh yeah, right now, yeah. Whenever you have volatility, overnight holds are like killer. It's crazy. Everything else wants to go down, but Shopify's just chilling here now. I think Shopify is going to come down. I should make money off that today. I think if I take profit on anything today, should at least be this. I hope. Um, Azure, good morning. Yoko's Larry, good morning. All right, let's get a quick overlook. Here, I'm gonna actually zoom out to like the 1 hour chart because I feel like the market's kind of wilding a little bit. Let's slow things down. Oh yeah, we're still selling off. So we got 16 minutes left on this candle for Nvidia. I really hope this is just liquidity and it just maybe continues up to like retest, but we'll see. We'll see. And yeah, we're pulling back on the SPY. And we got 1 minute till we can like kind of get some data on the PCE. D community, I hope the Fed continues to cut rates. I feel they may. My guess or my assumption today, I think they're expected to keep it the same. As of right now, they're supposed to do 2 rate cuts this year. I don't think we're going to get too much of a move today. Like we'll probably get a little move, but the move that's expected today is kind of small. And what was I going to say? The move expected to be today to be small, and I feel like if we get a big move, it'll be because they say something like they think rates need to be hiked. So I'm just hoping it's not a big move at all, honestly, for them. I think if we get a big move, I hope it comes from earnings. So that would be in the after hours. That darn Nike, let's see. Bro, Nike hasn't been doing anything. That's so annoying. So annoying. Like, that one might end up coming to the grave, but it could also, yeah, I was just like, right now Nike is in the grave. We'll see if it comes out. Bro, the market is wild. So wild. I have lines up and down on my, yeah, the market, yeah, it's all over the place. So I'm sure that little EKG that Robinhood has going for it is all over the place. All right, so Nvidia is looking like it's potential liquidity. We still got 14 minutes left on this candle. We'll see if this ends up being respected. Like we did kind of already break this trend line, but if you go to a 4 hour, hey, the trend line's solid. So I'm just hoping we can hold up, continue to push on. It'd be nice to ride and fill in this gap. That's what I'd like to see. Maybe as we move on up, maybe try to move the stop loss up. Let's see. Okay, scalped Nvidia with quick puts. Hey, hope you scalped for some quick profits. Hey, that's. Hey, if you took some profits off that, hey, nice stuff. Mike Knight with the scalps, nice. I got a scalp under my hair, but it's not quite like Mike Knight's. Lucky J, good morning. Good morning. Let's see how we feeling today. How we feeling? This is how I'm feeling about the market right now. Uh, Bald head. Good morning. Good morning. Oh, I guess bald head. I guess you got a scalp too. Honestly, your comment couldn't have come at a like more perfect time. Can someone explain scalp in the comments? So, scalp is essentially like just a really fast trade. So, most of the time when I trade, I am personally looking for like a move from here to here. But a scalp here, let's get in here. Scalps are usually like really quick. So right here, this is on a 5 minute. Maybe say, oh, we just had this little pullback. I'm going to try to get in here and get out here. So with the scalp, you're typically not looking for as much profit, but you're just trying to get in and get out. And yeah. Can you only scalp if you're, I mean, you can scalp. Like, for instance, if you have a margin account, you can scalp. It's just, you can't scalp every day. So, yeah, it's like it's like if I want to take my 3 day trades in my margin account and have like a scalp day Friday, I can do 3 scalps. But beyond that, it's like I can't do anything for the rest of the week. Derek, good morning. Smithfield Food IPO. What's the ticker? Was the IPO any good? All right, so we're back above where we entered that call. So, or I'm back above where I entered that call. Hey, I heard bald head. Hit the like. I feel weird calling you bald head, man. I feel like I'm like bullying or something, but that's like what my brothers used to call me like whenever we messed up my haircut, and they would like slap the back of my head. Yeah, but let's see, SFD. Let's see how SFD is looking. So they IPO'd yesterday. It looks like they IPO'd a little bit below where they are right now. At 1930. Or I guess they went opened there. Okay. That's cool. You think the market's gonna have a crazy reaction? I don't think it'll be that crazy. I don't think it'll be that crazy, but it's like it could be. I think the reaction is gonna come from earnings again. Let me see if I can drag it over for y'all real quick. Actually, I'll just try later. There's a backstory with my name. No, if it, I would hope, I imagine, and I hoped. Yeah, like, no, yeah, it's the reason it feels weird to me is just because, this is my first time seeing your name, and I don't fully know, so it just feels weird to me, but, as barriers come down, it's okay. All right, got some SPY puts. Okay. All right, that's making me nervous about this. I'm in this play. I'm committed now, but yeah, it very well could end up coming against me. All right, so it's a puts type of day. Honestly, yeah, we got the Dixie up 25. We got the VIX. Looks like the VIX is up too. Let's see. The VIX it's pulling back, but it's like in an uptrend. Let's go to like a 15. Let's look at the PCE. The PCE is down, so that leaves room to go up, but it could go either way. Could go either way. All right, 30 likes and 100 people present. Hey, if you're here and you can hear my voice right now, hey, consider smashing the like button just below the video. There is a little icon that looks like this. If you can see the video, hey, just go down, visit that, give it a little smash, give it a little tap, give it a say what's up to the like button. It doesn't bite. It might do a little change up on you. It might change colors, but when it changes colors, that's really it. Just being happy. That's showing it's satisfied. So I know it might sound aggressive to smash, slap, boot, interact with the like button. It really makes the like button happy. So if you want to do some good, go ahead and smash it. All right. First time commenting, hey. First time commenting, and see we got some more. So now you're a regular. Forgot to say thank you. You're welcome, Willie Nelson. I feel like you did say thank you. I feel like you did. Kalila, hey, appreciate that. Starbucks was hitting this week. They had earnings yesterday. Yeah, I saw they like popped up, but I think their guidance was that. Oh, okay. Okay, analysts have raised price targets for Starbucks. Okay. Yeah, because when I saw Starbucks last night after earnings, I saw this candle right here, boop, and then it came back down. I was like, okay. I was like, I guess that was it, but it looks like it's still going. Okay. Go Starbucks. I can legit see a Starbucks right now. What time did JP speak today? Here, let's look real quick. I know it's 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, so if you're in Central, it's going to be 2 p.m. So, yeah. Oh, no, he speaks at 2:30. 1:30 Eastern Standard, 2 p.m. Central. Yeah. That would be like, what was that? Wait, no, I'm so confused. Hold up. Yeah, 1 p.m., 2 p.m. Yo, hold up. My brain's not working right. Wait, what time zone it? Maybe, hold up. I said, okay, no. 2 p.m. Eastern Standard, 1 p.m. Central Time. There we go. I was very, very much mixed up. Okay, yeah. There we go. And then if you're on Mountain Standard Time, that's going to be like noon. And then I guess if you're on the West Coast, what's that going to be, 11? All right. So let's see. Contract's expensive right now. Kohler has a favorable price. I can't resist. I mean, it's good to be focused here. Let's see. I feel like they still haven't hit my price yet. Yeah, I think I'm watching like around 133. Yeah, I'm waiting on that. But hey, get in like you fit in, or get in where you fit in. All right, let's see. I feel like we might just sit here in range. Well, do we have data dropping in a minute? We got crude oil inventories in like 30 minutes, but we don't really have anything going on right now. SoFi, let's do a quick check-in on SoFi. Still trading in that little range. 46 likes, let's go. Hey, looks like we moved to 50. Just like, pull left corner, pocket is the button. Hey. Just like pull left corner pocket is the like button, smash it, squat. Yes. Just watch the QBTS shoot up 20 cents. Is it? Oh, it's very much in a range right now too. You see, it's looks like the range is from, I guess the top end is gonna be like a little below 6. Oh, look. Okay, so there's kind of like a little pattern a little bit. So it's forming something. So yeah, you got that. Let's see. Maybe that. I mean, we could. I mean, depending on where you draw it from, maybe you could. Um, maybe we'll see. We'll see. Add it up. A lot of people are waiting on that. I don't know why. I do, but you know. Okay, 2:30, my guy. 11:30 for me in Cali. Shout out to MST gang. Hey, I used to be MST gang. I was a Central Time. I've been Central Time like the majority of my life. Did about three years in MST. I did about 8 months, and I don't know what the time zones are in Europe. I think when I was in Spain and when I was in Portugal, there were different time zones. But let's see. Let's see. To listen to the most boring person of all time. Yeah, I mean, hey, you may not know this, but JP, hey, he has a personality behind closed doors. You know, he gotta put on that front. Like when you get out there, you gotta put on his poker face. Did I say good morning? If I didn't, good morning, Isaac. It's important though. Poppy Jerome. Willie, let's see. What's the bottom range on the NQ or ES? Here, let's see. I don't think I did that on the right spot. Oh, hold up. For the day. Here, like right now, I can see like we got a little trend line going right now. Dang. Hey, my metabolism is going right now, very much so. Or my stomach is like, yo, let's see. So I would probably, I mean, first thing I would look out for, I guess, would be this 20,770. Because if we fall and break this, which is looking like Nvidia is coming for it, that's probably where we're going. So I might need to get some downside for Nvidia as well. But I might wait until we break this. I'd like to see if we can kind of at least come retest this high for the day. Because this happened pre-market. Yesterday, my target for the call on Nvidia was what is it, 430? Not 430, 130. Just because I was looking at this EMA, it ended up hitting, but here, let's see. So is a put good in this? So is a put good in this? Then always. I mean, it looks so the put has potential. It's like we haven't gotten confirmation yet, but it definitely like a put definitely has potential. Like, cause right now where we are, this is either a great spot to buy a call or a great spot to buy a put. So honestly, the better move, like if you're like I need to take a move, best thing to do would be buy a call and a put, but right now we're doing nothing. And then also in that situation where if you buy a call and buy a put, you want to make sure you get the time to cover both ends because I mean ideally we would probably move by the time Jerome speaks, but you want to make sure you have enough time that you're not just getting burnt out on time as well. Is SPY a good buy today? I mean, it's honestly looking at the SPY. Oh wait, they might have a trend line too. Let's see. Oh, wrong tool. Let's see. So right here, hey, it's a same story as the Nasdaq, as well as the Qs. It's like everything is kind of just trending right now, and we're hugging that line. It's like, are we going to go up or are we going to come down? I would say there is a little bit more for us to come up, a little bit, because I mean, we still got some gap to fill. The market goes up more than it goes down in the in the grand scheme of things. And also looking at, well, the Dixie kind of points down a little bit. The VIX is kind of pointing down a little bit. But if you look at the PCE, that's kind of giving us room to go up. So, hey, which way are we going? I don't know. But I kind of have bets placed both ways. I would like a little bit of both. Low key, let me set like a take profit on Shopify. Hold up, let's see. Let's look at this simulator. Let's look at something that's not out of the ordinary. Okay, so if that were to happen, okay. That'd be cool. So here, I'm gonna set a little take profit at. There we go. We'll see if it happens, but if we do get a pullback on Shopify, I'll likely take profit in this area. FTAI is FTI. Let's see. This is FTI Aviation, Aerospace and Defense. Let's zoom out a little bit. This is a downtrend on the weekly. Like it's been on a pretty consistent like run up. I don't know how to feel about it, honestly. This is probably a good buy level. It's just not anything I watch, so I don't really have the confidence for that. Ernisha, good morning. Oh yeah, be sure to hit that like button. Willie Nelson, okay. EST, good morning. D Scurv, good morning. Is AMD moving? A little bit. Still in the range, but a little bit. Like resistance is going to be about like 117, 117.30 or so. we got our eye on AMD. Yeah, let me look at this Nvidia kind of here. This could stand to be a little more over here. We go to 1 hour. You bring this in, see how it looks. If I were to yeah, I might adjust that to look like that for now. We'll see how it plays out, but I might make adjustments for that. We'll see how that plays out. My question about the put was for QB. Okay, yeah, let's go back. So I'm not sure about my upper trend line, if I'm being honest. It's like, honestly, with the way this is moving, it's not one I would like specifically short the way it is. It's like I would be more. Here, let's look at it. So right now it's like perfectly in the middle on the RSI. So really, it's like really trading at a comfortable price. That's on the 4 hour. On the daily, it's there too. 30-minute, it's kind of there too. 15-minute, closer to the upside, but it's still like it's at a very comfortable price where it is right now. So it's gonna probably need some sort of catalyst to move it. Like if there is nothing really going on, it's very comfortable. Yeah, this is just one I personally wouldn't mess with too heavily right now, but it looks like this, like it does look like this bottom trend line is moving up. I'm not sure how well I drew the top trend line, but it's like regardless, the bottom trend line looks like it's working up, and if it doesn't break below this, then I would expect it to kind of keep riding this. Mahishu, good morning. Hold up. All right, let's see. Do you have shares of NASDAQ? I'm in. Was that for someone else? If it's for someone else, if it's for me, I don't have shares of NASDAQ. Or is that something different? Hold up. Yeah, I don't have shares of that. Can you check sound? As of yesterday, it's definitely in a downtrend, but as of today, oh no, looks like it. Okay. So it broke like the shorter term downtrend. So now I would look for, here, let's see, a little break. I mean, that would be breakout level, but you don't necessarily have to wait till it gets up there. So I guess it looks like the next level may be like this 464 level. Higher bit crew. Thank you, family. Appreciate that. Thank you. Appreciate that. Shout out to Higher Bit Crew. Let's get it. Here, let's see. All right, it still looks like we're trying to push down. really just depends on how we want to take it. So now that I'm like kind of re-looking at things, it's kind of like almost as if I drew my trend line at the wrong spot. But also it's like I'm seeing the SPY like breaking. I'm seeing like more selling. Here, let me what is it? What time frame am I? I'm on 1 hour. Yeah, this isn't moving like everything else. But we got the Dixie coming down. We still got data in like 17 minutes. Yeah, we'll see what happens. Nuclear and cybersecurity are definitely on. Yeah, I've been here. Yeah, 100%. That's yeah, a lot going on with that. I think down is still down momentum right now. It held through. Held though. There's still. Yeah. So when it comes to like the chart for sound, where is it? So it's still down, but this is kind of something you would see before you get some kind of reversal. Let's look at it on a 4 hour. Yeah, like it's for sure down, for sure still in a downtrend. Maybe we see it come like retest this to the downside first, but it's now free to go up. So like me, if I were taking an upside entry on sound, I mean we can look at it like this. It's like it broke that, and there may be a new formation of a trend line right here. We'll see. It may be too soon to tell, or maybe it holds up like that. We'll see what happens when it touches this next trend line, or maybe it comes and bounces off this one as support before making this move up. But we'll have to see. Let's see. Thank you for the info. Hey, you're welcome, family. Let's see. I just enjoy looking at charts. Hey, good stuff. Hey, good morning, Tatiana. Sound like nah. That's not like. Sometimes it's exciting. Sometimes I get a little bored, but sometimes I find it exciting. I feel like if you can find excitement in this, it's like that's when you succeed and thrive. It's like usually if you see the excitement, feel the excitement, that's when that connection is actually there. I'm gonna throw my hood on. Very gloomy day outside. It's like raining. I'm glad to hear you love it. Yeah. Let's take a look at Rivian. Let's go ahead and do that. Nice and slow right now. Here, let's zoom on out. Solid downtrend for some time. Okay, forget that one. Hey, congrats, Brandon. Took profits on AMD. Where'd it end up moving? All right, so it's at 1750. Okay. Yeah, we might be coming down. We'll see. We're like hugging this trend line. So here, let's. Oh, so pretty much looking at it right now. maybe something like that. Um, is there like a level of support? It's like see some support over here around like 1150 or so. But I was is Rivian is in a downtrend. Um, yeah, it's just in a downtrend. I don't really have anything to say about it. Another scalp on Nvidia. Oh yeah, this time Nvidia's here. Actually, Nvidia's got a pretty solid downtrend going this morning. Something like that. See if it holds up. What's that look like on the 30? Yeah, pretty solid. 15. Yeah, we'll see. Baba moved above. Yeah, this stuff keeps happening. Like when. Yeah, it's kind of wild. So that kind of has to do with the whole. It's because Trump's not really doing anything to China. A lot of people thought it was going to be really scrutinous on China, but it's kind of just letting it fly right now. And because of that, it's like, oh, you know what? Let's let the other China plays run. Hey, let's check out some China plays right now. Okay, that's not really benefiting from anything. What's another one? There's one I'm thinking of. I just can't think of the name. Oh, you know what? Let me look at some. They benefit from China. Doing kind of well right now. Who else? What is the one I'm thinking of? Is it? Nah. What is it called? Any fun options? Not that I can think of. And if you don't want to like risk a bunch of money, like it's gonna come down to you like fun. Like we got earnings today. Here, let's see. Yeah, let me see if I can. Let's see. Where we at? All right, so looking right here, looking at earnings. Hey, today we got Tesla, Meta, Microsoft, IBM. I don't know what Lam Research is. Waste Management. Pretty big earnings going on with those today. But I don't know. Oh, that's what it was, I think. Yeah, JD's kind of going up too. All right. Here, if we want to have some fun though, we can look at Derive in a moment. SoFi is sleeping. Where's so SoFi is trading in a range. Like it's we've got like the trend lines here. Zoom out a little bit. So SoFi could potentially be getting ready to break out, but yeah, as of right now, it's consolidating, doing its thing. Like from here, it either potentially comes to the bottom end of the range, or maybe we get some kind of it'll either keep consolidating through, or we'll just get some sort of breakout. We'll have to see. Neo didn't move, but yeah, that was a good one. You said just for last. Smithfield. Was that the one that IPO'd? I forgot the ticker already. Oh, I can probably look it up. Let's see. Yeah, nothing's going on there, so we'll leave that alone. There's not really data and it's still nothing to do. Trump's supposed to be pretty chilled compared to before. I think last time he waited a few months till summer and market consolidated 10%. Good to know. All right, we still got Shopify moving up. This is a 4 hour. Fact of the day, Shopify shares increased 8.2%. After Richard C. from National Bank of Canada noted the open source AI models could lower operational costs. Could you look at, what is, yeah, let's see. What is with, like, is this crypto you're trying to get me to look at? It's in the downtrend. Yeah, it's downtrending. This morning, like it's probably up nice on the day because if you look at it, it was oversold, but now it's overbought. Or actually, now it's kind of back to a little, it's like right there in the middle. Right now, it's kind of like an area I wouldn't want to touch it because it's like right there in the middle. But yeah, it went from oversold and now it's kind of back at back to equilibrium, kind of like right there in the middle, so it's chilling. So MU, hey, this one's oversold. Yeah, this could be a good level to pick up MU. Honestly, I like it. I see it's oversold. It's kind of chilling. There's support over here at this $88 level. Honestly, this is the kind of thing that I would grab like maybe 2 weeks. Here, let's see what it looks like on the weekly real quick. All right, it's still kind of like just there. So for me, a for sure buy is if I see it down here. So if it manages to creep, hold up, where is it? If it manages to creep right here, like creep in this range, hey, hands down, I'm putting an order in. I'll get a couple weeks time, and I'll grab a call, but yeah, it's oversold on the 4 hours, so I do like that. Like I may miss out on an opportunity not getting anything now, but if it happens to here, let's slide that up a little bit. Yeah, if it wants to come right there, hey, I'm here for it. SFD. Did we look at that today? It's SFD. Okay, so yeah, once again, still not okay. Do you think Apple will break? I think there's a good chance. It probably won't happen till after its earnings, but I think there's a good chance. All right, Nvidia's trying to come stop me out. Let's see how it holds up at this trend line. I said 124, but then I found it. Actually, here, let's go back to a 1 hour. We got data in 4 minutes, I believe. Yeah, crude oil inventories, or 3 minutes. See how that comes in. If that comes in bad, I'm taking this L. All right, let's see. Artavius, what's up? What's good? Life is good. On whip. Okay. Spy really looking like it want to dip. Here, let's it's yeah, it's kind of chilling right now. But yeah, if we get like I guess confirmation or yeah, if it just let's go to a 30-minute on both. And then yeah, that might be it. We'll see how this data comes in. I'm owning crypto till September-ish. What's going on with LMT? I guess as of right now, maybe we're not as on the brink of war as oh, hold up. Well, actually that doesn't mean anything here. Let's look. Oh, it's kind of it's at a weekly level of support, but this isn't a stock that I would normally or not normally trade like that. Let's see. Fact of the day: Lockheed Martin's board of directors has approved a dividend of $3.30 per share for the first quarter of 2025, scheduled maintained at neutral. Adjust price target to $5.50 from $5.90. All right, so looks like it's semi getting some downgrades. Like I don't I don't really see anything really going on, but it's like in a sense getting some downgrades. So that's potentially something going on there. Got data in 40 seconds. Once again, we're pretty close to being oversold on I guess this is a 30. Let's check the 15. Oh, hold up. Wrong chart. SPY is kind of just chilling, but Nvidia is, yeah, it's oversold on the 15. Pretty close on the 30. Oh, actually, the 4-hour chart, it's holding up. We'll see. What is? All right, so data should be coming in. Let's see. It's pending. Let's get this. Yeah, let's get this bread. I'm stoked to get into a corporate bond or a 3D. I don't do anything with either of those, so I'm not going to be the best source to really say. So honestly, I can't say anything about that. But yeah, that's where the family helps the family right there. Because yeah, I'm not the one in this family to tell you. I appreciate your explanation of Roth IRAs. Hey, yeah, Roth IRAs. Hey, that's where it's at in my opinion. Just alerted on Derived for a call. A call for what? Hello guys, I'm new here. So I have on my watch list I put for Nvidia 130. Thinking I'm about to pull. It could. I'm watching this trend line, but yeah, it's like as of right now, it is riding this trend to the upside or to the downside. So ideally, if this trend line is being retested, the closer to this that you enter, the more profitable. But I will also say, depending on what time frame you're looking at, it's like oversold. So it's kind of like that's just all the information. We'll just leave it at that. All the information we have right now. Yeah, we might just kind of sit here and chill till the Fed, cause really, I mean, we got a little melt action on Nvidia. Yeah, it's actually down pretty good to start the day. Um, SPY's not doing anything. When you say oversold, what do you mean and how can you tell? So there's an indicator. It's referred to as the RSI, so this little purple thing down here. And typically, there is this, there's a range on it. It ranges from 0 to 100. 50 is kind of in the middle. It's like the buying and the selling going to be kind of, I guess, balanced. What is it? Usually overbought is considered to be, like, if it's 70, it's considered to be overbought. Below 30 is considered to be oversold. Typically, it is better to, like, if you're looking for a reversal, like looking at Lockheed Martin right here, if we take a look, you can see down here when it's red, it'll typically make a push back up to the other end or in the middle. So usually looking at this isn't something you want to trade just using on its own, but taking into account different factors and whatnot. Ideally, it's better to sell your stocks or take profits or get downside whenever it's overbought, because usually when it's overbought, it wants to kind of level out and come back to this like 50 range. It's usually a good idea. That's usually a good area to buy. And when it's oversold, that's usually a good area to sell up here. And when it's oversold, that's usually a good area to buy, because then it's going to level out. Like if we look at Nvidia yesterday, like over here, it hit oversold, and actually it's still, like, this is on a 4-hour chart, so right now it's pulling back, but it's still oversold, so, or it's still closer to oversold. So it's like it could potentially try to be making its way back up here on a higher time frame, but it's like that's where patience kind of comes into play. But yeah, that's the RSI, and pretty much it just tells you whether things are overbought and oversold. And on the 15-minute as of right now, Nvidia, like just looking at it, is oversold. It's becoming less oversold, but typically whenever you see things around 50, it's kind of just chilling. It's like, no side is really outpacing the other. It's kind of just trading sideways. Oh, you're talking about, okay, LMT. Good morning. How's everything going this morning? Hey, everything's good. A little gloomy outside, wet and rainy, but other than that, everything's good. Not getting too much action going right now in the market. But yeah, we're here. We got the family here. Hey, we got the likes up. We're up at 75. Okay. Tesla is super in the range. Like Tesla is probably not doing anything until after earnings. So right now, yeah, Tesla is very much so in this range. The range is predominantly between 390 and about 400. I'm starting to think my position in KUL. Let's look. So it's depending on what time frame you're looking on. So like on a 4-hour, it's closer. Oh no. Depends on what time frame you're looking at. It's closer to oversold on a 4-hour. Here, let's go through all the time frames. If we look on the monthly, yeah, if you look at month by month, it's closer to being overbought. Like it peaked up here. So yeah, when it was up here at like 5 something, it was overbought. If we drop down to the weekly, it was like overbought over here. Now it's still closer to overbought, but it's moving back to the middle. If we look at the daily, it's actually closer to the middle, but it's like more closer to the oversold side. 4 hour closer to oversold, 1 hour closer to oversold, 30-minute closer to oversold. 15. So it really just depends on what time frame you're looking on. Okay. All right, I'm gonna have to. I feel like I'm gonna regret this, but I'm gonna have to take my L on the video. Where is it? All right, so it's like a 20% haircut. Let me alert the family. All right. Okay, got it. Wow. I'm a bit sad. Started making profit a week ago, $100 per day, but my Robinhood portfolio is not increasing, even with the. I would need to see that because that doesn't make any sense to me. Sound playing games, I need it to fall to $11. Okay, let's see. What was it was a put, but it was an L. Like I was playing the trend line. It seems like the trend lines only get respected when I don't play them. But yeah, it's looking like Nvidia is now. Honestly, if we get a clean break here, I mean, honestly, I'm probably like I feel like I may end up getting worked here, but oh, hold up. Higher Bid Crew gifted 1 member. Hey, let's go. Hey, who got the membership? Who got the membership? Oh, D Community. Okay, I see you. I see you. Gang, can't buy stock because nothing looks good, so I'll just keep getting toasty. Hey, appreciate that. Appreciate that. D Community with the membership. Okay, shout out to Higher Bid Crew. All right. Hey, let's go. That star looks good on you, family. Let's get it. Yeah, shout out to Higher Bid Crew. All right, let's see. All right, so Nvidia selling off. See how it looks on the 30. SPY is chilling. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna sit here and chill now. Hey, the only thing I have any hope in is right now that we got this Shopify oversold. Hey, what's popping over here? Something's going on my phone. You said game over. Hey, let's get it. Okay, yeah. Nvidia is falling on down. Honestly, I might try to here. Let's see what the potential is to the downside. Let me add one to the. Nah. I might want to do something later, so I'm gonna leave it alone. But a retest of 116 is not off the table because if we're breaking this trend line, it usually like will make its move back to where it started, and it started over here at 116. So do not be surprised to see Nvidia kind of coming back here. Because yesterday when I had targeted that upside move, I was just targeting this EMA up here. We bounced off that EMA. We could be coming for a new low actually. So that 130 put that she was talking about might do all right. How are you feeling about the QQQ? I took profit on it yesterday. Did you Oh, you must not be in the Discord. So I took profit. I didn't take like a crazy amount of profit. I set my stop loss when I was up like maybe about 10%. And then my stop loss got hit. And then it went up higher. So I was like, I was a little upset, but I was like, hey, profit is profit. Well, I lost 2 today. Nvidia is bleeding me. Can you look at so Fubo. Yo, something smells like some deli meat or something. I don't know what people have out there, but Fubo is very much like right now for me. Fubo is very much it's like trading in a range. So 352 up to like 430. That's the range on Fubo. But yeah, it's like it's moving on the day. But as of right now, it's not like moving. So it's like if you want to know the next level above 430, it's going to be like 460. Then it's going to be about $5. How can I get into the Discord? So if you're trying to see the alerts, you would get in by using the link in the video description or the live stream description. But if you're just trying to get in there to like chat and see the majority of the channels, that link right there will take you there. Thanks. So hey, chat, family, tell me what is going on. Cause I'm not seeing it. Nvidia's down like 5% today. Hey, let them sell. That's gonna provide another buy. Tesla's at a good support right now too. All right, it's a sitting down type of day. Hey, 100%. I gotta run like, or I get to run like 6 miles today. Hey. Y'all see what I did? Oh, wait, hold up. I feel like banks are not getting enough attention after B or A CEO stated they will use crypto for transactions very soon. Oh, Bank of America CEO. Okay. Hey, honestly, that might be a little. What is that? That might be a little insight. something to pay attention to. Hey, you might be onto something, T. Will. It's wild. The chart's going crazy. Can't do much today. Yeah, it be like that. So days like today, it's like kind of when you kind of set your targets. Walmart 52-week high. Hey, good for Walmart. All right, so I'm gonna show y'all something right here. I'm gonna show y'all how to make some easy money. All right, this is I don't know. It's easy money if you see it. All right, so if you're somebody who likes to swing positions or have extra money to be able to buy like a few weeks of time and you're patient, this is something that kind of pays off. So here, if we go to any stock, I like to do this on watch list, and you go to like a weekly chart. What you're gonna do here, we'll start off looking at the SPY. All right, it looks kind of ugly. Here, let's go to like yeah, we can go to an NVIDIA because it's working and it works. Like, this is legit what I did yesterday. All right, so if you go to something like an NVIDIA on the weekly chart, what you're gonna do is like whenever you get like a range, after it makes a move up, if you see a bunch of blue candles, like similar to Shopify right now, where you just get all this blue right here, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to the last bearish candle, and then you're just gonna take that. So for instance, on NVIDIA, I got this one, I got it highlighted, and then if we were looking at Shopify on the weekly, here, let's just do that right now. Looking to show you another example, what I would do for Shopify, this is the last bearish candle right here. That's going to be down here, right here. All right, so this is clear cut and obvious. And this is clear cut and obvious, but on other time frames it's not. So it's really easy to teach this on the weekly chart. But ideally, this is going to be a strong buy level. So if you come down and like, I don't know, leave an alert here, or maybe if you got money to like just let it sit, like say maybe you're using Moomoo and you're earning money on your, like earning 8% on your uninvested cash. Say you have like a little just limit order here that's good till canceled in. All right, so you got like an order in for like 10 shares or 100 shares or whatever. This is what you do. You get in on these shares. After you get in, this is assuming you're going shares. Hey, come in, do this. It's like, oh, okay. Say you target like just a little $12 move. Put your take profit there. Say you want to ride some more, you can leave the other ones going. Or if you're trading options, hey, get like at least a month of time. Hey, ride that first little run up. $80 to like $92, that's going to be solid. If we look at NVIDIA and see kind of the move we got from down here, that first little pop up from here, that was, what was it? Where's the tool? Oh, right here. First little pop up, I'm going to do it from up here, not even the bottom. Hey, right there, that was about a 10% move, not even from the bottom, just from the edge of the zone. Hey, that's profit right there. Here, let's see. Baba scalp. Oh wait, hold up. Just watch your video on selling instead of buying. Sounds interesting, but think I need a little more. Hey, feel free to ask whatever questions you have. If there's like a huge gap, maybe y'all need to make something on it, but yeah, feel free to ask whatever questions you might have. Baba Scalp. Selling is better, in my opinion, but not mad games. No, yeah. I mean, honestly, when it comes to profitability, I am a lot more profitable, like being long on positions, selling premium, actually purchasing shares, and like taking opportunity, like uh, taking more advantage of like the slower, longer term moves. I'm much more profitable. Just want to show that. So look on the weekly and look for the bearish candle. Do you think the price would drop at that price again? You mean to that price? Okay, so if we're like when it comes to looking on the weekly, so all right, so we're looking at SoFi here. Similarly to what I just said, skip this last one because there was a lot of chop here. But looking at SoFi, I don't know what kind of candle this is. So I would look at this candle right here. So these aren't like these levels, they're not going to be levels that are visited often. They're not going to be visited all the time. But if it's the first time pulling back to this level, like if SoFi pulls back to 1151, once again, yo, it's gonna at least come up. It's gonna at least come to this 1245 level, at least. But it'll likely at least have a move up here. But yeah, just from here, let's say from 1155 to I guess 1250. Realistically, the move up, the next move after that's going to be a lot bigger. But it's like if you're able to get a buy-in at this level, you're gonna have a decent move. So let's see. Oh, you said can you give one more? Does this count as one more example? So yeah, we got SoFi here. This is one level. Yeah, just like on the weekly chart. Notice we got a run. Ooh. And it's like ideally, like once again, if we come down to this, you might say the downtrend continues. Like that does not mean it won't fall lower than this, but what it means is there are a bunch of buyers sitting here, and we'll probably get some sort of move back up before continuing down. Well, we don't necessarily have to continue down. We could go and make a new high from here. But say the downtrend is strong, after we've made this first level right here, don't pay attention to this one anymore. So the next level is actually going to be down here. So looking at it, you can see there is one over here. So now you would look for, like say we get a retest of $8. Once again, kind of going back to what I was looking at, you know, maybe you get a retest of, maybe it pops up to 9 or whatever. All right, and it's like you sell on the pop once you lose momentum on the pop, or like once you, honestly, the next day after I see it in the profit, like since it's on the weekly chart, you may not see what is it? Since it's on the weekly chart, it may be a few days where it's like not in the green, but looking at it the next time you see it, not a bad idea to take profit. All right, so that's one example. One more. This one recently happened. I had it charted, but I didn't like utilize it. All right, so look right here, we see Apple, right? So Apple made this range up on the weekly. Okay, if we take this and we draw it, this is that last candle. All right, so right now it's happening with Apple. Once again, like this is a whole range, it's a massive range. Usually if you're able to get it at the bottom of the range, that's going to be the best, because this is a huge range from 235 to 220. So if you're able to grab it at the bottom, that's going to be the best. But like right here, looking at Apple, we kind of hit this low down here. and now we're kind of buying up. So kind of looking at this range from where the range started, kind of looking at it again, where I would like kind of be targeting Apple. You can see Apple has already kind of hit that target. So right here, I would be like, it's like Apple could push up further, Apple could pull back more, but that is something that I would also. That's just whenever money is there, you see it. Honestly, this Apple trade was amazing. I saw it on Monday and I didn't take it. I was on stream. I saw it on Monday when it was breaking through this. I was looking at it. I wanted to take it, but the premiums were expensive. I just didn't think it was going to run that fast. So it's like whenever you see things happen on the weekly chart, that's when you see these large, like fast, violent moves. So yeah, keep that in your back pocket, family. Hey, yeah, if you didn't hear everything I just said, hey, feel free to go back, rewind that, cause hey, that's gold right there. If you can display patience to actually utilize that, hey, that's gonna take you far right there. All right, so Apple kind of popping a little bit. All right, we got the Dixie selling off. That's cool too. Let's see where we're PCs kind of break even. You could put that on your nugget video section. Yeah, I might have to, I need to figure out how to like clip these. Okay, so that was like a little bit before an hour and 30 minutes in. All right, I got it. I got that noted. It's like I might figure out how to like clip that and kind of throw that in with the other like members only videos. We'll see. We will see. Bought $30 of MU hold. Oh, honestly, yeah, that MU was looking good. Yeah, like once again, the weekly I was talking about, hey, that's right there. I'm trying to see if we can get like a just a pullback on Shopify. That'll be nice, but hey, they might make us wait till the Fed till we actually see anything. How am I positioned? I think I got downside and upside. So I'm not sure if I got the best downside and the best upside, but I think I have downside and upside. So I'll probably do all right. Moolah, good morning, good morning. I hope you're doing well. Nah, I'm a little red because of Nvidia. I think I might be green elsewhere, but a little red because of Nvidia. Oh no, the light came on. Hold on, y'all. I'm checking my. No, no. see. Does that little nugget work on SPY? Yes, yes it does. So if we look at the SPY, it's like it works. It's just like whenever it's not as nice, it's a little weird. This one right here didn't quite work. This actually, it's like the opportunity you had. It's like you kind of got below it. So it's like whenever I remember when this happened, I kind of didn't trust it. It's like just because it gapped below it, like the market closed right here one week, and then the next week it kind of opened up here, which was below that last set level, and it kind of ran up. I didn't trust it, but it's still paid. Um, Looking at the next one we have probably gonna be right here, 550. The last one, honestly, I would say after this point, it kind of on the weekly it kind of gets choppy, so the ranges aren't really as good. But I would say this is kind of the last one that was actually valid. And now from this point, it's like I would say this wouldn't hold up because it's like we made our move up, we kind of pulled back to it over here, and then now that we've pulled back to it, we've popped up. So now I wouldn't expect this to be as strong. The next one that I would look for, the next like strong, like, yo, I'm not asking any questions, I'm just buying level, is going to be like over here. It's a fat candle, but it's going to be from 550, about 557 down to about 535. So like from here, it's like I would like say I have the balance, I would get some time at 557 and I would average down as low as 535. Good morning. I'm like number 88. Oh, that's different from 24 yesterday. Been listening, couldn't chat. Help. In VDL took my money overnight. I need. Oh no. So as of right now, I actually don't have any suggestions. Um, it's like there's nothing really there yet. I like the idea of like if MU comes in anywhere in this anywhere from the 78 up to 87 range. I like the idea of a call, but also this is something that I would get like a few weeks of time for, maybe even a month. So that's the only thing I see that I like right now. It's very close to that level, but I'm not, yeah, I can't say. Yes, welcome to the family. Good morning, family. What? Watched and shared a few of your vids with my friends. Hey, nice. Hey, appreciate you stopping through, family. Appreciate you. And sharing. Hey, way to not be greedy. You know, a lot of people see this information, they just keep it all to themselves. Low-key, I wish I had friends. Actually, I kind of do now. Low-key, I need to hit my friends up. I'm gonna hit my friend up. We had like a call like it was almost like 2 weeks ago. We were supposed to like catch up, and I've just been busy. I need to hit him back up. Dang, what's going on with Nike? All right, yo, that Nike looks. Hey, that Nike's probably done. Yeah. You know, I don't know what to say now. Nike looks like it's trending. It's broken above. Let me see what it's even going for. Hold up, y'all. Give me a second. I'm like replaying something. All right. Okay. Hey, Shopify. Hey, that's like the lowest I've seen Shopify today. That's nice. That's nice. Hey, maybe I'll take a dub on Shopify today. We'll see. No, I haven't checked Kava. Is Kava going crazy? My goodness. Yo, I might have to eat some Kava today now. Honestly, that sounds good. I could go for some Kava. All right, let's see. All right, what's popping with Kava? Is there any news? Here's what to know beyond Kava. Why Kava is trending stock. What's their earnings? Their earnings until March. Why are they going crazy? Let's go to a 1 hour. Okay, let's turn on a. Yeah, they're very oversold, but they're moving at a pace that I don't even want to like try to trade against. It's like I might try to catch an inverse, but I'm not gonna do it right now. Yeah, that's like a yo, I'm leaving that alone for now. But yeah, here let's they got anything up here? Here, let's look at the one. Honestly, they could be getting ready to. It's kind of ugly. Hey, I'll put like a little. Let's put a little alert right here. So there's some old liquidity that hasn't been swept over here on the 1 hour. If they come up there, okay, I might look into like trying to do like a quick scalp reversal swing or something. We'll see. Like similar to what's going on with Shopify, but yeah, they're very overbought, and yeah, they look like they're going to like test some levels. But honestly, it's not making sense. I'm not seeing any news or anything, so it definitely would be something that I went light on for sure. Oh, let's see. No problem. Glad to see another brother trying to make a change. How far did you say you think Nvidia is going to drop and took 50%? Hey, good stuff. So I could see like so there was a trend line right here. There was a trend going up. So usually when you break a trend, sure it'll come and stop at levels of support. Like there's an area of support right here, like 22.75. Then an area of support around 120. But if it gets past all that, it's like ideally it would go back to where the trend started. And the trend started like right over here at 116.70. So it'll probably come back and retest that. Do we like 75 put on Nike? Honestly, I don't even. Here, let me go back to Nike real quick. Yeah, my confidence on Nike has been kind of wops. I don't know how to feel about Nike right now. Because I got a $72 put that I just rode the opposite direction. All right, and since I held it overnight it went all the way up to 1 from 14, but when I tried to buy 13 at 1 and got a message and no one, oh no, and it popped to 10 2 minutes later. Yeah, that's kind of wild. Airbnb, it's been a minute. It's been a minute. Let's see what Airbnb is doing. Dang, it's raining hard. I don't think they want me to go to Cava. I might still go. We'll see. Uh, Honestly, like looking at this, I don't think I know how to chart Airbnb. Airbnb is definitely moving. I don't know what this old trend line I have is, but it does not look good. Airbnb, yeah, I don't know. Let's go to a weekly. Oh, Airbnb is consolidating like crazy. I don't know what to say about Airbnb. Current range I would say from 124 to about maybe, yeah, we'll say 140 until one of those levels gets like broken. I would say it's just moving between those levels. Kava's legit. Yeah, Kava's good. Just got a call on Pfizer. Let's see. Okay, hey, we're finally getting our finally seeing a move in Shopify. I think this might be around the level I entered. Let me see. Let's see. Definitely down on the contract, but I feel like this is around the price it was at when I entered. Hey, what's the most shares total you ever owned of anything? I want to say I've owned like 2,000 of a penny stock, but when it comes to like larger, more established, oh, even when it comes to saying more established, these are companies you may know, but they're like, oh, I would say nothing more than 500. I would say 500, but it was for like a cheaper stock. And then for stocks that have been something, I would say the most I've earned is maybe around like 225. Still haven't tried Kava. Hey, it's good. It's good, in my opinion. Still working on swinging because I don't like holding overnight. So honestly, there are times when it's better to swing, and times when it's like, yo, it's not the best. Um, See, part of me likes to think I'm good at swinging right now, but honestly, right now, when you have volatility, those are typically the environments that you don't want to swing in, or at least not overnight. If you want to swing from like if you want to swing over weeks, that's usually okay. But yeah, from one night to the next, it's like one day you can be up like 5%, then the next day you're down like 12%, and it's just wild. What's a good way to convince friends not to treat the market as a bro? If you could tell me how to do that, I would love that. It's like I don't just talk about this to all my friends because a lot of people think it's like crazy risky because I don't know, because of things like options. You hear the stories of people like losing money and people like ending things and whatnot, and it's honestly it comes down to the person. So it's like a lot of times it'll have to be something that people find their way to. Like I would like to get my channel to a place where I could show people a more responsible side of trading, but right now, hey, options is what's doing it. So yeah, right now, I show the options, and then I try to like ease in things that I find to be more responsible. Could you explain why buying a put in Kava would not be a good idea? So here, I could explain why it could and why it couldn't. So right now it has momentum. Um, like yeah, typically just whenever you have momentum, it's like momentum can go a long way. Like if we could probably move and look at Tesla. Maybe not over here, but over here, it's like you see you have moves up like this in Tesla. Tesla is like pretty much oversold all this time. It's like it'll have like a little pullback or a sell off, but it's like yo, it's overbought. And I don't know if you just say, oh, it's too high, it can't keep up, or it won't keep this up. I legit remember the point in time when Tesla, from here, this is December of 2019. From this point in time, from December of 2019 all the way until February of, the third week of February of 2020. So that's about like, oh, that's like a little over 2 months, right? Or about 2 months. Tesla just continued to push up. Tesla went from it was oversold. Of course, it was like a couple hundred, but before the stock split, but it went from being $20 to being over 65 in that point in time. And it's like all this time people are like, it has to come down, it has to come down, it has to come down. And it did have to come down, but it's like timing can be very critical. It's like the market can push up a lot longer than you can try to push it down. If they see money there that they can take from you, they're going to do that. So that's why it may not be a good idea. It really just depends on like how much pressure is going there. So it's like really once you see things slowing down, that might be an okay time to make a move. But when it's just going crazy, hey, don't try to fight it, because it's like it can definitely keep pushing a lot further. Kava is high quality like Chick-fil-A. Hey, D-Scurv, I'm gonna let you know. Uh, it's gonna depend on the location. I've got like 2 or 3 locations by me. 2 of them, very solid, very good locations. One of them, I'm like, yo, this is nasty. Then I like got on and I checked the reviews. I'm like, man, they're off today. But then I checked the reviews for that location. I'm like, oh, hold up, am I still here? Bro, did they just disconnect me? Oh, okay. We're back. We're good. We're good. I'm not sure how much you heard, but like, um, the location. I would say the majority, like, I've gone to like 3 or 4 different locations, and 3 of them have been good. But yeah, there was one that's like, yo, that mess was not what's up. And it's like they have I like their drinks too. And it's like, yo, they had like no flavor in their drinks. I'm like, yo, how? I was like, isn't there like a standard? It's like, it seemed like whatever was going on with that other location, they were cutting corners. Yeah, it was not what's up. I'm tired of friends only investing $5 thinking they'll be. Oh yeah, the rich overnight. Yeah, nah, no, yeah, and don't get me started with like crypto. It's like nothing. I would say there's nothing wrong in investing in crypto, but like people investing in crypto thinking they're going to be rich overnight from it. That's my issue with that. Lucky J with the trophies. That being said, do you think there's a stigma with sharing to others your investor with stock and not necessarily. It's like I don't think I necessarily received like any two of the same responses. I would say like usually like the response that received the most common, people will like ask me, "Oh, what do you think about this?" Or like I've had people like recently come into a lot of money and like ask me something that I think I may have actually like considerably helped them for. So it's like some people might think, "Oh yeah, he's just like some sort of like I don't know, like crypto bro." But usually that might be somebody I don't know at all, so it doesn't even matter. But no, I feel like for the most part, it just is what it is. Just, I don't know. It's like, when people ask me what I do, I don't even feel like I always say the same thing. Because I do multiple different things. So it kind of just depends on what do I feel like talking about today. And I might say whatever that is. So that's true. Location matters, but compared to them, normal fast food, flip a coin. Yeah, I guess. Yeah, I guess you would say that. It's like I don't love all the fast food that I used to. It's like I've kind of changed a little. I do love. I do still like eating out, but like the fast food that I used to. Like I got a McDonald's like right by my apartment complex. Like I can legit see it right now. I think I've been here. Well, I guess 6 months now. I have not been to that McDonald's once, but it's like the closest restaurant. I could literally take a 2 minute walk and it's time. I could get it. You say you're good. Cutting corners is great. Yeah. These XRP. I mean, XRP is there's a lot of potential it has going for it, and I've been in and out of that too. But it's like yeah, I don't. It's like I feel like people focus on these things because they haven't seen what's possible with other things. It's like stocks, they make more sense to me. Like it's like, oh, XRP is up 80% today. It's like I can identify stocks that have that same potential and might make that move even sooner. It's just I don't know. It's like I like that I can there's more strategies that I can apply or implement with stocks than with crypto. Is it a good idea to buy options with a week expiration and sell same day? First off, you got to consider your day trades. But if that's not going to hurt you, or if that works into your plan, yeah, if you're up and or if it's really going against you and you're really going to lose, then yeah, it's cool to buy it and sell it in the same day. I'm sitting out for the rest of the day. Hey, I feel you. I'm probably with you. I'm hoping I would love for Shopify to go on and pull back somewhere into this 114, 113, 112 region. Or if it really wants to pull back to 107, I won't be mad. Gonna watch how my Tesla goes after hours. And my Tesla, I feel like it's dead. I just coughed up a good amount of money to Tesla, but now it's like, yo, Dead. Yeah, but I don't think we're gonna really get anything else. Uh, so I'm gonna start to conclude this stream right here. So real quick, if you're gonna be in the markets watching things today, be aware that at, I guess this is Central Time, 2 p.m. Central Time, 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we have the federal funds rate being announced, and at 1:30 Eastern Standard Time, 2:30 p.m. Central Time, we get Jerome Powell speaking and get that FOMC press conference. So, with that being said, that is going to do it for the day, family. I appreciate, the 96 of you that came through, took the time to smash the like button. Appreciate that big time, family. Appreciate every one of y'all that stopped through. We got a new member today. Lucky J, appreciate you, family. Josh, thank you. All right. 97 now. I see y'all. I hit you. Thank you. What's I gonna say? But yeah, I hope each and every one of y'all has a blessed day. Y'all may see things move kind of crazy towards the end of the day. 99. I see y'all. The community, peace, tribe. Thank you. And yeah, that's gonna do it. Matthew Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life. All right, 100. Yeah, good stuff. Appreciate y'all. You said 12:30 Central Time. Hold up. Is this not? I think this is Central Time right here. 2:30. I'm Central. Cause 12:30. What time? Hold up. Oh, my bad. No. It should be 1:30 Central Time. Yeah, because if I change this to Central, what is it? Let's see. I think it's 1:30 Central Time. Yeah, Central. Here, if I change that, yeah, it's gonna be 1:30 Central Time. So yeah. Oh yeah, I definitely need to get some kava. I'm about to go tell my wife right now. Oh, okay. My bad. Yeah, I said that wrong. Okay, cool. But yeah, all right. Peace, family. Have a blessed day.